everyone. Today we are going to learn statistic, which comes in the maths. And statistic is the study of the collection, analysis, organization and presentation of the data. So today statistics are divided into 6 parts, and that parts I will explain you each and every part. So first of all I will tell you some names which of the parts. Okay, so first is mean, median, mode, range, mid range, probability. So today we are going to learn these 6 things. I will explain you these things and I will also answer the question in front of you. So what is mean? So when a number is like 4 3 1 6 1 7, okay, this is our number. So in mean, we have to plus all these numbers. So first of all we need to do 4 plus 3, then plus 1 plus 6 plus 1 and plus 7, right, shown over here. Now the quantity means 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there are 6 digits in the whole number, so we have to divide it by 6. So this is how we find the mean. So we have the total of this is 22. So we wrote the 22 over here. Then we divided by 6 because here we have 6 quantity of a number. So we divided it to by 6. So when we want to write in the mixed number in whole number, so we write like this. So 6 comes in the denominator, 3 comes in the whole number and 4 comes in the numerator. So this is how the answer when we convert it into the decimal, then we get this. But also we can say that this answer is also right, but if we convert into decimal, then this answer is right. So both of the answer are right. Okay. Now over here we have 4 3 1 1 1. We have this figure. So first of all we need to plus over here, which I already showed over here. So for 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we have our quantity 10, which we plused over here. Now the quantity is 1 2 3 4 5. So there are 5 numbers over here. So we will divide it by 5. We can also write like this. Now when we divide it, so our answer is 2. So now you understand what is mean. So now let's go to the median. So in median we have to find our mid number. Okay, so we cut the 4, we cut the 10, we cut the 9, we cut the 5. So our median is 7. So that's how we find the median, which is, I'll show it over here, which is 7. Okay, now over here we have to find the median of 9 4 6 2 4. So we cut 4, we cut 9, we cut 2, we cut 4. So our median is over here 6. Okay, so is equals to 6. So median is pretty easy to find. So now you know mean and median. So now let's go to the mode over here. So in our mode we have 9 5 2 2 3. So our mode is 2. Now let's see how the 2 came in the mode. So here seems something in change over here, that this is 9, this is 5, this is 2, this is 2 and this is 3. So the 2 comes 2 times in this number. So 2 comes 2 times in this number. So how to find mode is when a number repeats more than 1 time, it is called the mode. So 2 is coming 2 times, so it is the mode in this number. Over here we have 5 5 2 6 9. So in this number our mode is 5 because 5 is coming 2 times. It's not necessary that the number only comes 2 times. The question should be also like 6 6 6 2 5. So in this number the 6 is the mode. And sometimes also 2 numbers comes, like in like for example 2, 2, 4, 4. So in this number you can find the both. So you can write is equals to 2, and also you can write 4. So in this number both are called mode. Okay, so one or more time it's called a mode. So now let's see how to find range. So in range we have 9, 2, 5, 4, 3, 1. Okay. So our highest number in this is 9, which we wrote over here, and our lowest number is 1, which we wrote over here. So over here we did 9 minus 9 minus 1 9 minus 1 which is equals to 8. Okay, so our range is 8. Now over here we have 3, 4, 5, 9, 6, 2. So how to find the range of this I will show you. So in this our highest number is 9 and our lowest number is 2. So we need to minus it in the range. Okay, so 8 minus 2 9 minus 2 is 8 and 7. So 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. So the range of the this number is 7. Okay, so you know how to find the range, mode, mean, median. So now let's go to the mid range. Mid range is pretty similar to the range, but in this we have to do two more steps. For example, here we have 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. So the highest number is 3 and the lowest number is 2. So over here we minused it. Over here we need to plus that both number. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So we wrote the 5 over here, and because we took two numbers, that time we that's why we need to divided it by 2. So here I have shown the division, and also I will show you over here. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3. So our highest number is 4, and our lowest number we need to plus it, and our lowest number is 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Now as I showed that we have to divide it by 2. So here I will show you a division. Here 10 comes, and then 5.5 and then 10. So it comes as 0, 0 because 10 minus 10 is 0. Okay. Also you can't understand this, we have over here. Okay. So the answer of this is 2.5. So we find the mid range of this number. Now probability. Now the question is, find the probability of the orange balls. Our question is this: find the probability of the orange balls. You can see over here that our orange ball is over here. So now we have red balls 2, green ball 2 and blue ball 2, and of course orange ball. So over here we have blue balls. So I can also say that we have our marbles, and here the marbles are in the line. Okay, so we have our 1 blue, 2 greens, 2 red and 3 orange. Now the total, first of all we need to plus all the total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So of this total is our 8. So first of all we need to write the 8 in the denominator. Now the question is asking that find the probability of the orange ball. So now you have to forget these balls and just think of orange. So we have orange balls 3 over here. So we will write 3. So the probability of the orange ball is this. Okay, this is how we find the probability. But I will also show you how to find the probability in the physical experiment. Okay, so we have 3 green balls. We have 3 blue balls. we have 1 yellow, 2 red, and we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 orange over here. So now I am asking you to find the probability of the green box. Okay. So first of all, we need to count all of the total which we did over here, which comes 8 in this. So we need to find all of the total of all balls on this table. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balls over here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have our 15 balls total. So as I showed over here, that the total of balls comes in the denominator, and now over here I asked you to find the probability of the green balls. So the green balls is 1, 2 and 3. So we can find the probability of this is 3. I can ask you some other question, but we will do in that later. So I hope you like my video. Thank you for studying with me. I hope you like it. Thank you.